Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. Now, to do this is very easy, however if you've never done it before it can be quite confusing. All we need to do is launch the Launchpad, and this is here on your dock. This is the square with all the little squares inside. Let's press that. What we need to do is find the App Store. Mine's here. You need to launch the App Store. If you can't find it, you can use the search box here at the top to find it. Once you've launched the App Store, you can come through and have a look what Apple is recommended to you, or you can search here in the top search box. So for instance, if you want WhatsApp, as you see here on WhatsApp, this little sign means I've already downloaded it in the past, and you can re-download it from the cloud. Now for instance, if we look at this Canva one here, you'll see it says get. All you need to do is press this get. Then it'll say download. As we're downloading WhatsApp, it'll just do that. So it'll quickly download. Then you'll be able to check open. And that's it. You'll have successfully downloaded and installed an app on the MacBook Air or Pro. Now if you ever want to delete it, you can go back to the Launchpad and hold over the app what you've just downloaded. Everything will start to shake like that. You just press this little X in the top left hand corner and it'll say, are you sure you want to delete the application? In this case WhatsApp. Then you press delete and that will be the app uninstalled on your Air or Pro. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.